So now I'm going to move on to the last part, which is the practice packet 2. In here, you're just going to go to practice packet 2, follow the HackerRank steps, and it's going to show you this link. And you're going to press sign up. It's going to appear again, press sign up. And it's actually going to prompt you to make an account. Once you have made an account and you are in, you're going to see a multitude of problems. And if you look here, it tells you the score that it'll give you as well as the difficulty of the problem. So let's press solve challenge. And it's going to give you a tutorial if it is your first time on here. So we're just going to press skip. And if you look here, you are prompted to put in code as before. You're just gonna put in your code here, but before, make sure you change it to Python. It's always Python 3. Just put your solution where it says solution here, and you should just press run code. Or you can upload it as a file just like before. For both code forces as well as HackerRank, we do recommend uploading a file as it is better. However, if you wish to type it here, I will. For this one, let's say you program something. I'm just gonna write print hello. This isn't the answer, but it just gives you the thing. If you press run code, it'll run through the test case, not the actual thing, the test case. And it'll show you this. However, you can press submit code. It says, are you sure you want to submit code? Press yes, submit code. And it's going to go through your thing to check, and it'll tell you wrong answer or not. And you can check the entire thing there.